everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to download or install Twitch app on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. In order to download your Twitch app on your Android, you'll have to first go to your Play Store. Once you have opened your Play Store, from the Play Store, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, you can see various options. On the very top, you can see a search bar. Here you'll have to tap on the search bar. After tapping on the search bar, here you'll have to type Twitch and search for it. Once you have searched for your Twitch app, here as you can see, the second option is Twitch. Simply tap on the app icon, and from here, you can see there is an install button. In order to download or install your Twitch application, all you have to do now is tap on this install button. After that, here you'll have to wait for some time for your Twitch application to be installed. The amount of time that you will need or require in order to download your Twitch application on your Android will be highly dependent on your Wi-Fi connection. So here you'll have to patiently wait for some time. Your Twitch app has successfully been downloaded. You can see your option open written right here. You can also check whether or not your Twitch account has been downloaded or not by going back. And here as you can see, the Twitch application has been downloaded. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to download or install Twitch app on your device. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.